My name is Faith Hale. I go to school at Holston High School. Going to CTC for me has been really helpful because at first I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with my life. Whether you find the career you want to do, it helps you narrow down what you don't want to do, definitely. I love construction and trades. It's not what I'm going into, but it has helped me build skills and build relationships with my teachers and classmates. A really good accomplishment. Right now, this feels really great, just seeing an actual house. We started with dirt, and now we have a house in progress. So to see it all done and to be able to share it with the community, it's going to be a really great feeling. Just come in with an open mind. Whatever you think you're going into, wipe that slate clean and come in ready to learn and just be a part of a team.